Good day, Brian Kaplan here with SeaTac Credit Repair. We're here today to talk about SeaTac Credit Repair and you, simplifying your credit restoration and credit repair to bring up your credit worthiness and your ability to plan and maintain financial sustainability and increase your financial literacy. So in the next few minutes, we're going to run through a flow chart to give you a greater vision on how we can help you with your credit restoration and increasing your credit sustainability, and again, your financial literacy. So stay tuned. Simplifying your credit repair. It's a process, not an event. Integrated marketing and personal and professional well-being services are presented by our company, UCN Biz Group Marketing and SeaTac Credit Repair. So as we said, it's a process, not an event. It took a while for all of us to get ourselves in a situation when we finally pulled our credit reports to realize that our credit score had gone way down. So in order for us to help you move forward, we have streamlined the process and we've put together this flow chart so you can get a better vision. We don't want to take a lot of your time today. We can meet with you one-on-one in a Zoom conference call to go over your credit report once you pull that, but we're going to walk you through the major steps that you need to do today to get started with repairing your credit, restoring it, and getting on the journey. So first of all, credit repair and you. The steps in the journey. Step number one, by the FCRA, that's the Federal Credit Reporting Act, all persons are required to obtain their credit report here in step one on their own. We are not authorized to do that by law. You will have to go ahead and pull your own credit report, and only 1 out of 2 Americans actually know their actual credit score. So by clicking on this link here, you'll be able to get to our service, sign up for it. You can do it for a $1 trial and or a $24 fee per month to start monitoring your credit, but it is necessary for you to pull those reports, and then you're going to need to provide those with us or to us in your conference call or your 20-minute assessment. Step number two, we want you to take some diligent time to read your reports. That means shut off all distractions, cell phones, Facebook, your social media. Get to a table, get a cup of tea, get a cup of coffee, whatever you prefer, and sit down and actually take a close look at your credit report and start making notations of information that you believe to be wrong or where you think there might be a discrepancy. Because when you actually get with us, we're going to go over that information and help you identify those. So now, in step three, the most important thing for us today to have our credit score go up is to actually have what we call a clean line of credit. So our suggestion is, and that's suggestion A here in step three, is to establish a secure line of credit with a company that we've worked up as an affiliate, and they've granted us the rights to offer this to you. It's called Credit Builder Card, and you can click here for an application. And we did this ourselves. We went in and we opened up 2 secure credit card accounts with a $200 deposit on each of the cards. And the nice thing is we use that for small purchases on a regular basis. And they automatically report to the credit bureaus for us every time that we use that card. As 30 days goes by, and it helps increase your credit score, because if you don't have a clean line of credit along with removing derogatories on your credit report, your score is never going to go up. Then from there, after you do step three and get a secured line of credit, you've got to choose your path. Now, a lot of people are intelligent these days and they like to do things on their own. We know that there's some very secure information within your credit report that you might want to keep close to the cuff, as we say. Some of us don't want to admit that we've messed up and made mistakes, to our friends and associates, but we're a professional company and we deal with this on a regular basis. So we're not going to embarrass you. We've all been in the same situation, and we had to do the same thing that you're going to go through here, increase our credit score to increase our credit worthiness. So you're going to choose a path, whether you want to go DIY with our Up Group Prosperity Plan, which is $49 per month, or if you want to do what we call Collaboration Credit Program, which starts at a $99 application fee. And then once we accept you, we will go through the necessary paperwork so we can actually help you in managing and doing this process. But again, We're all intelligent people, so some people want to start with the DIY. And at any given time, when you start with the DIY, if you decide that it's too much after 30, 60, or 90 days, you can always move over to what we call our collaborative credit restoration process. We'll credit you the $49 that you paid for your first month with the DIY, and we'll only charge you $50 to get going on the collaboration credit restoration program. But after we get through making a decision of which path you want to take, the actual dispute process is going to start in either of the two programs. And it involves with writing your first round letters. And when you get into the process, you're going to get an education on how to do this. You're going to get actual documentation, whether you're using the DIY program or if you sign up with us for the collaborative credit restoration process. We're going to write the letters for you, and we're actually going to mail them for you. And then you're going to keep monitoring your credit report, and we're going to meet on a regular basis to get this process going and get your credit worthiness raised. And the neat thing about our collaboration credit restoration program is we do have a 90-day guarantee. If we don't remove 2 derogatories within a 90-day period off of your credit report, we will refund that $99 fee that we originally charged you for your first month, and you can cancel our service at any time. We don't want to hold you hostage. If you feel that you want to move off the collaborative credit restoration and go over to DIY and purchase the prosperity plan from our Up Group affiliation, you can do that. So we're here to serve you. We really appreciate your time today. And then the last thing that we want to touch base on is down here. If we get into restoring our credit will not stay restored if we don't change our financial literacy and our habits in having a relationship with our money and our financial resources. So we also recommend enrolling in a 6-week Financial Fitness 47 program. We've done this 4 times. It's a one-time fee of $120 for lifetime membership. That's why we've gone back to the class 4 times. And it was the first time since we had joined Financial Peace University with Dave Ramsey that we actually took those same concepts and actually put them into action. And in the first year of us using those tools, we were able to reduce our debt by 50% and develop habits that is allowing us to continually raise our credit score and keep that in check. So again, you'll want to find out about the Financial 47 Fitness, and to do that, all you have to do is go to our website, which is at SeaTac and we have a link there for Financial 47 Fitness. So we appreciate your time. It's a little under 8 minutes now, and we wish you a good day, and we look forward to speaking with you and scheduling your appointment.